back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the huge athletic company and retailer Under Armour. Now, most of the time on this channel, I try to gear the job leads that I share towards things that are going to appeal to the masses, things that don't require a college degree, things like customer service, data entry. I want the most people to qualify for and what I am sharing to help the most people as possible. However, there are times when I do share leadership and management positions because I myself have worked up the corporate ladder and am a supervisor at a large healthcare company. Now, some leadership positions do require college degrees, while others do not. But if you've spent many years gaining those customer service skills and perfecting your skills, then why not use them to train and teach others? So that is what we have today. Under Armour is hiring a supervisor of their customer service department. Now, this is remote for the United States only. But they are looking for a supervisor of their e-commerce customer service, being responsible for leading, coaching, and developing their customer service team throughout all communication channels, including phone, chat, email, and social media. You'll be accountable for the entire experience of both the customer and the customer service representative on the other end of that phone. You'll own the complete customer service lifecycle through the following. You'll help interview, select, hire, and train employees. You'll use quality monitoring data to track performance at both team and individual levels. You'll lead bi-weekly scorecard sessions for development and coaching. You'll give appraise awards and performance and discipline teammates when they are not following their directives. You'll cultivate an environment of customer engagement that strives toward creating that unrivaled service experience across all of Under Armour's communication channels. Of course, because you are a supervisor, you'll handle other HR tasks outside of training and managing the customer service team, as far as their PTO requests, tracking their attendance, and all of those types of things. And of course, hopefully you won't have to, but if needed, administer written policies, procedures, write-ups, all of that human resource paperwork. Now, they do say they require a bachelor degree for this position, at least 2 years of customer service experience, and they prefer somebody who has 1 year of people management experience. Maybe you've worked as a team lead or something before. Someone who is proficient in those Microsoft Office programs, that's Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, OneNote, all of those things. They want somebody who has proven leadership abilities, can help with training and coaching, someone who has great communication skills, and the ability to evaluate processes and recommend changes. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, pay for this position is anywhere from $61,504 on the low end, all the way up to $84,569. All right, please let me know down below if you like some supervisor, management, or leadership positions from time to time, or if you'd rather stick to regular jobs that do not require any leadership skills. Let me know how you feel about leadership jobs down below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.